Hey guys, how is your weekend going? This was our weekend last week. We woke up with a lot of snow. So hubby is clearing the snow so we can go out. And Mona has been
Are you
sleeping
awake?
outside, but he's
Are you
awake
awake?
now.
Yeah.
Here, once you give birth, no matter the type of
Yeah.
weather, you allow the kids to sleep outside. Mona has been sleeping outside since he
With
was
toilet.
born.
Okay.
And today, I remember that I've not showed you guys, but when I came out to video him, he's
That
already
digging
awake
snow.
because of
Poche
the
snow. Kai
noise
poche
from the
gu.
dad who was clearing the snow.
That di poche snow. Kai poche gu.
So guys, after we finish clearing the
Okay.
snow, we'll be going out just to stroll a bit, because here you take the kids outside to go and play no matter the type of weather. So once we are done clearing the snow, we will just go out a bit, and I will vlog a bit to show you guys the outside view and what the outside looks like. Okay, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere yet. Muna will be sledging as we go, so the father is trying to fix him before we start going out. I welcome you all once again to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Josephine.
I know you will call
You
me.
are
I've been waiting
welcome
for
to
you
this channel.
because all this type of
Please
thing you
remember
don't
to
even
give
like to
this
try at all.
video
You
a
just call me
thumbs up,
baby,
leave your comments
baby,
below,
baby. Gino.
and also subscribe to my channel
Gino.
if you've not done that, and share out my video to your family, your friends, your
Hallelujah.
colleagues,
There is
so
a
we
blessed
grow
figure
the
in this house.
ministry together. Thank you for always stopping by. I don't know why kids enjoy playing outside even if it's snowing. For me, I wouldn't have taken Mona outside today because he's not that strong. He has cold already. But we will not be staying long. We just throw a bit and come back to take fresh air as well. Though I speak English and Igbo for Mona, but he learns Norwegian fast at his
Yeah.
age. Though he understands me, but he
Wait a bit.
doesn't
Let me put
reply
something in
me
the car. Wait.
with
You guys
English
should
or
wait for me.
Igbo. He replies me with Norwegian language,
Huh?
which is Norsk. Over here is a big
Yeah.
caterpillar clearing the snow. Otherwise, the snow will be too much. The heap will be much that people will not be able to walk on it. And here is the general place where the people that live around this area can throw away their waste. When I say waste, I mean like bottles, battery, like big plastics that cannot enter inside your waste bin, ceramics. But over here, this container is where you can put clothes for babies or children. If you are not making use of the clothes again, you don't just throw it out. You can put it here, and the government will take it to the countries that need the baby's clothes for free of charge. And here is for adults. You can put clothes, you can put shoes, belts, anything you're not making use of. Those ones will be sold, but after, the money will still be taken to poor countries. And I feel that's also a way they save their environment, because if not for this, people might be throwing some things outside, or when it's raining. Remember how we do it in Africa? You just carry some things and go and throw inside the river. You see, these people are even selling ice cream. They don't even mind the weather, whether it's cold or it's snowing, and people still buy the ice cream. I don't know how they leak ice cream while the weather is so cold. Frank said he wants to slide, so let's go and slide. See Papa roll. Papa na wofe.
Papa na-agwa ofe. Ụmụ, daddy gị bụ papa na-agwa ofe. Ọ ga-ema, ọ na-egwu egwu ụmụazị. Daddy. Eh? Ọ na-egwu egwu ụmụazị. Ọ nwere notice, oyi na-ada amachi mụ n'iru. Papa na-agwa ofe. Papa na-agwa ofe. Ụmụ si ya, Where Jesus? Imana ọgara nke epeka. Nke ahụ for the kids now. Because I've been using that. Let's go. Right? Mumu, let's go home, okay? Let's go and eat Sunday rice.
This is the following day on Monday. I'm taking Mona to go and take his 15 months vaccine, the MMR. I just pray he doesn't get sick after this vaccine. So since he has been taking vaccine, he has not gotten sick for a day. But I'm afraid of this one because I've heard a lot of things about it, that this one is very strong and kids do get sick after taking the vaccine, but let's just cross our fingers. And it's snowing, you can see it from the screen. It's snowing heavily, but it doesn't stop people from going to their various occasions. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, subscribe, thumbs up the video.
I think we came on time. Here is the health station for children and the family. And this is the view from the place. It has such a nice view. And if you come closer, you will see the field where children play football during the weekends. Let me go after this boy before you go down that staircase. I said it, and that's where he's going actually. Oh my god, go back. We have time around 8:30, but we came by 8 and they have not yet opened. This is the inside view. I've tried to open the door, but the door is still locked, so maybe they will open it soon because I think they open by 8, though we have time by 8:30. No, we don't do African time, so you have to be there on time, even before the time. So I'm covering my nose already. Let me show you. So as you can see, I have my own face mask covering my face. They're already here, so we have to go in. We are inside now. We've removed our shoes and we have hung our jackets, so about going in now. And here is Mona. I've removed his own jacket. He has a 15 months consultation. That's what we are going for today.
This is the inside view. I will not be showing you the whole places because here is a very big place. We are not allowed to vlog much these days because of the corona. So, and I will not be also showing you when he'll be taking the vaccine because I'll be the one to hold him. And we are the only one here because we came on time, so we'll be waiting for them to call us.
I trimmed Mona's hair this weekend. And he's looking so cute. Ooh, look here. Look here. It's so nice.
Mona, so we just be running up and down. Just want me to be pursuing him. I don't want him to be touching things. But I know that they sanitize this place, and since we are the first people to arrive here, it's still clean. But I'm not comfortable that he's touching everywhere. So guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. I will still show you guys the continuation of the vlog later after the vaccine. I hope he will not be sick, but I will still update you how it went, whether he got sick after the 15 months vaccine. Okay, so we are home now making dinner. We are cooking obodudu. I don't know what you guys call it. Some people call it ozake, some people call it oza. That's what we'll be having this evening. And that is it for today's video. Bye, and see you in my next one.